Outstanding design defines the 2007 Hummer H3 SUV. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 5-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, fully automatic headlights, rear wipers, and cruise control. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.